Once upon a time, in a peaceful garden, lived a beautiful peacock and a humble crane. This is their story. One glorious day, the peacock strutted around, showing off his glorious feathers. He was loud and proud. The crane, on the other hand, was quiet and shy, always admiring the beautiful colors of the peacock. One day, the proud peacock challenged the crane to a competition. Who could dance better? The peacock twirled and swirled, his feathers fanned out in stunning splendor. But the crane danced too, with elegant moves, showing charm in the simplest style. The animals gathered around, giggling and clapping, unsure of who would win. When the music stopped, both the peacock and crane realized that friendship was the real prize. Remember, it's not always about being the best. Friendship is a treasure that lasts forever.